You will love the features of this 2021 Buick Encore. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Have fun getting where you need to go in the sleek and nimble Encore, the small luxury SUV with a can-do attitude. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Rediscover how much fun driving can be in the feature-rich Encore. Stop in to drive it today.